The city has made major investments to improve the atmosphere around public lakes. Now there's even more in store for users to enjoy. On a peaceful day at Lake Stanley Draper, some are hard at work, making art. This 1959 Buick LeSabre is on its way to becoming the Booya Car.
And you look at cars from the 50s and 60s and they look like they could be spaceships. And so the idea is that I'm making it feel more like a spaceship.
Artist Gabriel Friedman wasn't alone in his futuristic yet nostalgic thinking. This newly installed sculpture across the lake is called B-52, and the Glacial Erratics exhibit will land on the West River Trail near Crystal Lake. For Friedman, the Buick emblazoned with Booyah is a proclamation to visitors hard at work on their health.
It's a word you say to yourself when you've accomplished something small. It makes you feel big.
He's a cyclist himself, so he understands the feeling, but he has an even more personal connection to his own piece. It first belonged to his great-grandmother. It was the first car he ever rode in, and it eventually became his own first car.
And when I was about 5 years old, I approached my grandparents and I said, I would like the Batmobile when I turned 16, so we called it, me and my brothers.
It's now a shell of its old self, but Friedman hopes his Batmobile sends screams of booyah echoing across the lake as people pedal past.
There just has been very few places where it feels safe, it's pleasant, and this trail, I think, will be the nicest place to cycle or walk or run in the city.
The grand opening for the 13-mile Lake Draper Trail will happen in late fall. In southeast Oklahoma City, Jesse Mitchell, Oklahoma's Own News 9.